When dealing with perishable materials or ingredients, your revenue is on the clock. Here's how you can minimize waste and maximize those items efficiently. First up, first in, first out. It's a simple concept that comes down to using or selling your oldest items first. This ensures that your products are moving out before they expire, and you want to carry this same mentality out into your warehouse by making sure that your oldest items are stocked up front and readily available. So when in doubt, first in, first out. Next, forecasting. Using your historical data and looking at reports of seasonal trends, review what your demand has been and the materials involved in that demand. This type of information is often found in inventory reports or even forecasting reports and can help you understand the influx of your inventory while making sure that you prevent stockouts without creating overstocking. The next step in improving your inventory tracking is batch tracking. Think of this as giving each group or products its own ID. This helps you keep track of manufacturing dates and expiration dates and is extremely helpful should you ever face a recall. With batch tracking, you'll know exactly what needs to move and when. Finally, let's touch on inventory visibility. Real-time visibility is your best friend here. When you know exactly how much you have and where it is, you can make business decisions fast. Integrated inventory systems provide dynamic item tracking and real-time counts, helping you get straight down to the aisle and shelf of what you're looking for. I'll include a tool in the description that many businesses use to help bring all of this together. So to recap, first in, first out, forecast accurately, track those batches, and keep your inventory visible. Start implementing these today and you will watch your waste shrink down while your efficiency takes off. You're welcome.